Hello friends, today we are taking you with us to one of the most beautiful beaches in the Caribbean, the Playa Rincon. Getting to Playa Rincon in Caño Frío is a part of the adventure. From the town of Las Galeras, it's a 30-minute drive from tropical forests and hills. The road is unpaved and a little bumpy, but the views along the way are worth it. If you're up for more adventure, you can take a boat from Las Galeras to Playa Rincon, enjoying the beautiful coastline on the way. No matter how you get there, arriving at Playa Rincon feels like stumbling upon a hidden paradise.
So guys, हम लोग Playa Rincon Caño Frío पहुंच चुके हैं and as you can see यहाँ का Dominican culture मैं already feel कर रही हूँ. So bachata music is on and I'm like super happy already. And this place is supposed to be like a very culturally place. Like you can actually get to eat the real Dominican food and meet some like cultural people here. So really excited, but the mood is already set, guys. Let's go check out the place.
This stunning beach that stretches for almost 5 kilometers offers soft white sand, palm trees, and clear blue waters. It sure is a hidden paradise that feels like a secret escape. Even though it's famous, the spot has somehow remained untouched by the hustle and bustle of the usual tourist crowds. Now here's where it gets fun. Playa Rincon isn't just one kind of beach experience. On the western side, the waves are calm and perfect for a relaxing swim. But if you're craving a little adventure, head to the eastern side where the waters get a little wilder, making it a dream for snorkeling. Whether you are in a mood to sunbathe, take a dip, or explore the underwater magic, Playa Rincon has a little something for everyone. And trust me, it's a beach day you won't forget. At the eastern end of Playa Rincon, there's Caño Frío, a freshwater river that flows through mangroves and empties into the sea. It's a great spot to cool off with a swim in clear water surrounded by tropical plants. And if you enjoy nature, Caño Frío is just perfect. You can rent a kayak or paddle boat to explore the calm river while taking in the jungle scenery. The meeting point of Caño Frío and Playa Rincon is where the magic truly happens. Here, you can swim in both fresh and salt water at once, feeling the cool river mix with the warmer sea. It's like a natural swimming pool that's both refreshing and energizing. And if you just want to chill, rent an inflatable tube and just float down Caño Frío and let the gentle current carry you from river to sea. But after all that adventure, we would suggest digging into some local seafood. And now it's time to share our food experience with you. As you guys can see that the struggle is real when it comes to language, but at last I succeeded.
Yay, we finally got it. I think we are having chicken and pina coladas. I hope so. These lovely ladies are trying to tell us, but there's a language barrier.
Also, we got the first-hand visual experience to see how they cook their food, and it's no different than cooking in India's tandoor.
So that's here where they cook, and it's like the authentic Dominican food, guys. And yeah, really excited to have homemade food because that's what it looks like. And we've ordered pina coladas, and I hope it is not virgin because I really want a good drink. And I hope they understood that we wanted.
They also have some vendors selling food and drinks in food carts. You could get a virgin drink if you would like from them, and if not, you can also make it a cocktail.
So now it is going to be not a virgin pina colada.
We ordered pina coladas and got them in a pineapple for only $4, which was kinda cool, as the same drink would cost you way too much in a restaurant.
अभी खाना आया नहीं तो मुझे नहीं पता मैं समझा भी कि नहीं पर चिकन दिखाया तो मेरे साथ like पता नहीं था चिकन क्या कुछ और ही but I know chicken is pollo here so I think they understood उसमें लिखा भी हुआ था chicken but what I wanted to say when मुझे अभी मैंने notice किया एक चीज़ like these people have very big hearts like did you figure out I know कि हमसे पैसे अभी तक लिए नहीं है हमें चीज़ें दे दी है सर्विस कर दी है लेकिन what if somebody is like that कि वो पैसे दिए बगैर निकल रहे हैं यहाँ से I mean not that we are going to do it I mean, I'm just thinking it out loud कि there can be some people who would like take this for granted and take advantage of this. So these people are very sweet and very decent.
Very sweet. Of course, यार भले language barrier है लेकिन they are very pleasant to talk to. Like
very nice.
चेहरे पे smile है और they are not sounding like यार कि उनको दिक्कत हो रही है समझने में. तो उनका भी business है उनको business भी करना है उनको स्पॉट पे आ रहे हैं उनको पैसे मिलेंगे लेकिन फिर भी होता है ना कि यार कोई बंदा है वो बात कर नहीं पा रहा है आपसे.
But they're trying their best, which is like
with the happy faces.
With the happy faces. So far, I'm like it's been 24 hours, more than 24 hours in this country, and I'm loving the people here already. It's very sweet.
You can also buy some local artifacts, but don't forget to negotiate. You will also be approached by vendors for activities.
US dollar?
It was a real struggle for him to explain the cost of the activity to me, so he got innovative and wrote it on the sand.
25? Sorry, I'm trying.
We are trying.
I guess I told him that I want to go in a boat, and he said $25 for 2 people. I think that's what he said. Now again, I don't know कि ये मुझे ठग रहा है कि actual में इतना ही price है, but वो एक problem है being a tourist कि हमको prices पता नहीं होते. So yeah, I mean can't even negotiate क्योंकि पता ही नहीं इतना heavy कि नहीं.
Talking about food, it wasn't as per our taste palette, but it was freshly made.
How is it?
Rice and
What is this?
plantains. Needs a little bit salt, but not bad.
What about chicken?
Let's try.
Crispy.
Crispy. Not bad.
What about rice?
Rice okay. Chicken is better.
Chicken is better than better. अब मैं भी टूट पड़ूं?
Please join.
But the thing I did not like at all is how much they charged us for this food.
लंच तो हमारा हो गया है, तो हमने बिल मंगाया उनसे एंड एज यू गाइस नो कि हमने 2 प्लेट्स ऑफ चिकन मंगाई थी और 2 पीना कोलाडास मंगाए थे और बिल उन्होंने हमें दिया $33 का, विच आई स्टिल थिंक दैट उन्होंने शायद हमको थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा पैसा मांगे हैं बिकॉज दे नो कि हमको प्राइसेस नहीं पता. तो अगर आप आ रहे हो यहाँ पे मेक श्योर दैट यू नो द प्राइसेस बिफोर हैंड, किसी से पूछ के आना एंड देन यू नो यू कैन नेगोशिएट प्रॉब्ली, बिकॉज हमको तो आइडिया ही नहीं है, तो इसीलिए हम लोग थोड़े फ्लो में जा रहे हैं कि वो मांग रहे हैं तो हम दे रहे हैं. But I think $33 for this food and is a little bit more. To be honest, बहुत delicious नहीं था. Like it was okay. But still, like the service is sweet and they're nice to us, so that's okay because अब vacation पे आए हो तो तुम ज़्यादा इस चीज़ में negotiate नहीं कर सकते. अगर आपके पास US डॉलर है और pesos नहीं है तो वो US डॉलर ले रहे हैं यहाँ पे. मेक श्योर बट हाँ यहाँ पे कार्ड सिस्टम नहीं है, सो गाइस डोंट रिलाई ऑन द कार्ड. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है आप इन जगहों पे आके कार्ड से पे करोगे वो नहीं होगा. सो एंड इनफैक्ट आई वुड रिकमेंड कि पेसोज, यहाँ के पेसोज साथ में रखना काफ़ी सारे, बिकॉज पुंता काना में मे बी US डॉलर ईजिली चल जाएगा. यहाँ पे कहीं पे ना देयर विल फिनिकी अबाउट टेकिंग US डॉलर एज वेल. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव कन्वर्टेड द मनी इन एडवांस. So they gave me back 500 pesos. It was $33 and I gave them $40, so they gave me 500 back. Yeah, pesos लेके आना guys. I think it will be easier for you. Otherwise आपको बैठ के convert करना पड़ेगा.
Talking about facilities.
And यहाँ bathrooms तो है लेकिन यहाँ पे ये पैसे लेते हैं. I didn't find it to be very clean, so I didn't go. लेकिन अगर आप यहाँ आ रहे हो तो make sure that you have pesos so that you can use it. And it's not very clean. I'm sorry, but it's not. Alright guys, so ये था Playa Rincon and Caño Frío. कितने अजीब से नाम है, but it's a very awesome place.
लगा कैसा पहले ये बताओ.
Yeah, I mean you can spend a lot of time here. The beach is actually very beautiful. In fact, ये पूरी दुनिया में top 10 beaches में माना जाता है और समाना का बेस्ट बीच माना जाता है. लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत सारे सीवीड दिख रहे हैं मुझे. So it's not very clean as I was thinking it would be. वो एक चीज़ है.
मतलब जितना अगर ये टॉप 10 में है ना तो इसको अच्छे तरीके से मेंटेन रखना चाहिए था, लेकिन वो लग नहीं रहा है यहाँ पे.
Anyway, so but still it's very beautiful.
और एक और बेस्ट पार्ट पता क्या लगा हम लोगों को, ज़्यादा लोग ही नहीं है तो आराम से एंजॉय किया है हम लोगों ने.
You can hear पीछे बैकग्राउंड में गाने चल रहे हैं, तो वो एक वाइब बना के रखा है.
वाइब बना के रखी हुई है. ऊपर से ये भी है कि अगर आपको कहीं से भी इसके ऊपर थोड़ी ये ड्रॉपलेट्स दिख रही है ना अगर, तो वो बारिश चालू हो गई है.
So we have to run. Let's go.